In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start an LLC in Nevada or any other state the best, easiest, and most affordable way possible. So just to make this video nice and easy for you, I'm going to quickly start with a table of contents, and I'm going to include the timestamps down below so you can go ahead and skip to any part of the video you'd like to see. Alright, so in chapter 1, we're just going to discuss what an LLC is and give you a few reasons why you should consider starting an LLC over other business entities. And in chapter 2, we'll talk about the pros and cons of starting an LLC in Nevada state. And finally, in chapter 3, I'm going to show you a simple 3-step, 5-minute process to actually start your LLC. Now in this video, I am focusing on Nevada state, but if you're going to choose another state, the steps will be exactly the same, so you can still follow along. I'll also provide any useful links in the description and pinned comment below the video, so be sure to check those once the video is over. And now, without further ado, let's get into it. So an LLC, or limited liability company, is a type of business structure that basically combines the liability protection of a corporation with the flexibility and simplicity of a partnership. It is a great way to legally separate your personal assets from your business, so you're not personally responsible for the business's debts or legal issues. And choosing to form an LLC as your business entity can offer a lot of advantages. One major benefit, and the reason most entrepreneurs choose to start an LLC, is its limited liability protection, which means that your personal assets, such as your personal savings, your cars, your homes, they will be completely safe from being used to pay off any business debts or legal liabilities. Another reason is because LLCs have very flexible taxation options. This means that you can avoid being double taxed, and they can provide excellent tax flexibility based on your specific business needs. Another reason so many entrepreneurs choose to start an LLC is its operational flexibility. So what this means is, well, having fewer formalities and requirements compared to, say, a corporation, it can make it a lot easier and more cost-effective to operate and maintain an LLC, including no need for a board of directors and greater flexibility in management structure. And lastly, forming an LLC can also convey credibility and professionalism to your customers, your investors, and partners. That's because it is a recognized and established business structure that may be seen as more reputable compared to some other business entities. Alright then, let's move on to the next part of the video, where I'm going to go over some advantages and disadvantages of starting an LLC in Nevada versus other states. So let's start with the good. Firstly, and the reason so many people choose to start an LLC in Nevada, is because they have no state income tax, which can save your business a lot of money. Secondly, Nevada has a business-friendly legal and regulatory environment, including strong protections for business owners and flexible LLC formation options. And lastly, Nevada has a reputation for being a corporate-friendly state, attracting businesses from various industries. However, there are also some drawbacks to consider when starting an LLC in Nevada. Firstly, while Nevada does not have state income tax, it does have other taxes and fees that businesses need to be aware of, including a modified business tax and an annual fee for maintaining an LLC. Secondly, Nevada may have more competition in certain industries due to its popularity as a business destination. This can make it more challenging for new businesses to stand out and succeed. Thirdly, while Nevada offers business-friendly laws, it may have fewer resources and support programs compared to larger states with more extensive business ecosystems. And lastly, while setting up an LLC in Nevada can be a very complicated and just a time-consuming process, especially if you're doing it for the first time. But those disadvantages lead me on to the next part of the video, where I'm going to show you the easiest and best way to get your LLC in Nevada set up in 3 simple steps. So yeah, setting up an LLC in Nevada can be a time-consuming and an outright frustrating process, but that doesn't mean you shouldn't start one then. I would just recommend using an LLC formation service to just take care of everything for you. And one service I would highly recommend, and the one I use myself every time to form an LLC, is Taylor Brown's. So Taylor Brown's is an amazing platform that I've been using for a good few years now. That's because they have so many awesome tools designed to start a business completely from scratch, all in one convenient place. They have a logo maker, a website builder, business card printing, LLC formation, and a bunch of other useful tools for you to use as well. They have literally everything you need to go from zero to hero in one convenient place. So going back to the LLC formation, well yeah, Taylor Brown's is a team of experts who will basically do the entire LLC formation for you. And if you do have any questions or concerns about starting your LLC, that team of experts is there to chat 24/7. And their website is so user-friendly, you can literally start your LLC in 3 easy steps and it'll only take you about 5 minutes. So let me quickly guide you through the simple process. Firstly, just click the link I provided for you down below the video in the description or pinned comment. Then, once you're on the website, step 1 is just to choose your state from the drop-down menu right here. Step 2, choose your business name, and they will check there and then if it's available or not. And the third and final step is just to answer a few basic questions they have about your business. They ask things like what service you're selling, what stage your business is at, how many employees you have, and finally your contact details. And that is basically it. Taylor Brands will then start your LLC, and their team of experts will guide you through every step of the way. They will make sure all the necessary paperwork such as your articles of organization and everything else are fully complete, accurate, and filed correctly. Then, once it's all done, they will obtain your federal tax ID number or EIN and provide you with your certificate of organization, which is the legal document that proves your business is fully legally registered and ready to start actually operating. So in conclusion guys, setting up an LLC in Nevada doesn't have to be a difficult or time-consuming process. With Taylor Brands LLC formation service, you can get your LLC set up quickly and easily, leaving you more time to focus on the important part of actually growing your business. Their expert guidance and affordable pricing make them a perfect choice for small business owners who are looking to start their entrepreneurial journey. So if you would like your LLC entirely set up for you with only about 5 minutes of work on your end, try Taylor Brands by using the discount link I provided for you in the description and pinned comment below the video. But as for this video guys, that is just about it. Now if you do have any questions about forming an LLC or about Taylor Brands, drop a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I hope you enjoyed this video or found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.